So, Iliragajo and Ladona, how are you all? I hope you are very well and enjoying this day. So, you might thinking that what is Iliragajo and what is Ladona. So, please watch this episode till the end because in this episode you will get a lot of information. Okay, so today episode is based upon new language, learning new language. Okay. So, why learning new language? This is the first question. The first question is why learning new language? Okay. So, a lot of students, lot of people learn new language for their purposes. Someone learn new language for traveling purposes. Someone learn the language for job purposes. Someone learn the language for the family. Someone learn the language for the industry where she or he doing job. So, if you learn new language, you can get lot of benefits in your life. Because our mother tongue Bengali, or I speak sometimes Hindi, or I know a little bit about English, but my students, do you know or did you imagine that you can learn French language, you can learn Lithuanian language, you can learn Spanish language completely free of cost. So dear students, if you learn Spanish language, the benefit is beyond of you, because if you know something about Italian, you can be the master. For example, you are in a crowd. Okay, for example, my dear students, you are in a actual station and there a foreigner coming. Okay, and there the foreigner coming from Italy, so you can speak Italian with him or her. So dear students, if you learn new language, if you really love to discover your mind, so if you think that my mind, my head actually is different, okay, and I learn lot of language, so you will be the master. You can speak in Spanish, you can speak in Italian. So this is the achievement of your life. So dear students, I hope you understand that why learning new language is very important. So in our life, from the beginning to end, what I do, we just speak in Bengali, Hindi sometimes, or English maybe. But if you learn new language, it be most important in your life. You can this will be your achievement. You can tell you to your friends, to your colleagues, to your boss in your office that you just know some different language. So dear students, if you learn different language from now, so you can, this will be helpful to your job, because some company need that that the employee can be know different type of language. If the employer needs the different type of language, and if you have some different type of language knowledge, so you can get that job immediately. So dear students, what I am telling that, because learning new language is a skill, right? If you have some skill to learn new language, you can also get job, you can actually produce your life, okay, more, and you can also make your life positive if you learn new language, because you will be the different from your city, from the crowd. Second thing is that how to learn new language. Okay, so learning new language is very easy. And you thinking that said, if I learn new language, I have to go to any type of university and then admit a course and then just spending lot of money. But not like that. You can learn your language from your smartphone, actually new language from your smartphone. So how it possible? This episode just only for this. So I hope you definitely like this episode. So if this information will be work for you, please just like, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because I will creating lot of information, lot of skill, self education, okay, in this channel. So in future you will get lot of actually videos, lot of classes, lot of episodes regarding self help. Okay, so please subscribe and also press the notification bell icon for immediate information. When I upload new videos, you will be notified immediately. So just let's start this class. Okay, and let's see how it's work only for you. Okay, so as you can see, dear students, I am now on our smartphone screen. So first what we do, first we will go to Play Store. So I just swipe up, and as you can see here, we have a Play Store icon, and just click on it. So I just give a password. Okay, and now you can see Play Store is now opening. So dear students, here on this icon, okay, on the search button, just click on here, and we will type a special wonderful program or software which makes our life easy without giving any of charge or fees. So here we will type about So as you can see, we have the wonderful program coming up. So just dear students, just click on this program Duolingo. So we already have to install this program called Duolingo, and this is one of the most important program. As you can see, this is very short program, only 14 MB, and you can see 9 M reviews, okay, and you can see 100 M plus downloaded. So it is also editor choice. So I just installing this application, and I will tell you what this application will be work for you. But you can see here, you can see many options like simple to use, making it great young students or anyone learning a new language from the ground up, okay, makes the learning easy with fun graphics, bite size listen. So this application is very, you can see 4.7 ratings already. So what we will do, we just go and install it, click on the install and just wait for some time. Now as you can see, dear students, the application is properly installed and you can now open the application. So click on the open button. Brilliant. So you can see that the application icon is showing, okay, and just wait for it. And first of all, you can see a little actually green bird, okay, saying hello to you. It's really looking so superb. This application is very actually easy and happy, because this green bird always showing you and always hi you to motivate yourself to work and to start or to learn with this application. So here you can see here is two actually menu, which first is get started and the second is I already have an account. So if you have an account, you can also do with this second, and this is new and first time I installing it, and just click on the get started. And you can see which language you can learn, dear students, like अंग्रेजी सीखे हिंदी में, you can see Spanish, you can see French language, German language, Italian language, Japanese language, Chinese, dear students, Russian language, Korean, lovely, Portuguese language, Arabic, Dutch, Swedish, Norwegian, Turkish, Polish, Irish, Greek, Hebrew, Danish, Hindi, of course, our national language, and CJ, Esperanto, Ukrainian, Wales, Vietnamese, Hungarian, Soils, Romanian, Rome Empire, Indonesian, Hawaiian, Navajo, Klingon, High Valian, Latin, Gaelic, Finnish, and of course you can click on the more button. If you clicking on the more button, you can see lot of languages, like you can see here, you can see that Urdu or Chinese, lot of language. So dear students, I hope you can understand what type of language you can learn. One thing is that learning new language is very important, as you know, but if you want to learn new language, first thing you have to go to any type of university and any type of course you have to do, and you have to spend lot of amount. But this application is free of cost and you can learn lot of language. So why you just missing? So for now, what I really love the German language. Okay, so what I do, I just click on the German language. You have another choice, you can learn Italian and any language. So I just illustrate you, just click on the German language. So after clicking on German, you can see that the next menu, why are you learning a new language? As I told everyone, learn language for their purposes. You can learn language for brain training, you can learn language for culture, you can learn language for family or friends. You can actually speak language with your family, your friends. Okay, your friends will be shocked you learn German language. You can also learn job, you can applying any type of job opportunity. For example, if you actually applying a job for translator, you can also you learn the language for the job opportunities. You can learn language for the school. If your school speak in German, you can also do that, and you can learn language travel. Many of us, you can know about blogs. Actually blogger are learn some type of language like travel. So you can learn language for travel, and you can also learn language for others reason. So for now I just learn the language for job opportunity, because I applying a job for translator, and they are German language is very neat. So I just click on here, and you can see PK goal, what type of goal you need. You can go like casual, you just giving the just 5 minutes in a day. You can do regular for 10 minutes in a day, and you can do serious. If you love serious, you can do 15 minutes per day. And insane means it is like insane, it's more productive. You can give 20 minutes every day to learn German language or what type of language. So I just choose insane, because 20 minutes is I want to give 1 hour actually, but but 20 minutes is latest and the highest, so I just took 20 minutes. And you can see the little bird is showing, okay, and he is actually the bird is telling you that you can always change this goal later. If you not proper, if you do a job and that time you just only spend 15 minutes, you can do also. So insane is 20 minutes, and click on the continue button. And you can click on the continue, you can then choose a path. So first, learning German for the first time, and the second option is already know some German. So if you just learn the language for the first time, you don't know about the German, you don't know about the alphabet of German or any type of region, any type of culture of German, you just choose it. If you know something about, you can also do that, but I am really new. You can see the actually little bird now is like baby. Click on here, and after click on here, you can see that which of this is man. So this is very actually graphics, and this application is very powerful and very actually user friendly, because you can see when the question is coming which of this is man, you can see there is vector or there is PNG, and that will be very important, very easy for you to cover or qualify or transform what is who is man. So man is what? This is man, and in German language man is called Mann. Here you can see, click on here and just check it, and after check it, you can see that great job, okay, and automatically feedback coming that great job, and you can click on the continue button. And the next question is coming, which is the which of this is boy. So boy is jung, bro, man. So here it's called jung, and sorry, junch. I don't think that my spelling is correct or not, because German is type of different language. So click on the junch, and after click on the check, and great job, of course, and continue it. And you can see that how to say a boy, and here is very brilliant things in this application is sometimes check your brain power. So before just little time ago, I choose what is boy, and bro is called junch. Click on here and check it, and here you can see that how do you say boy and correct, and click on OK. And you can see the which is woman, and woman is man, or rather Frau, and in German language woman is called Frau. So my Frau and my man, click on here and check it, and this is great and excellent, click on continue. And you can see translate this sentence, and en Jan, so it's mean that I am, right? Here is con en Janj. Okay, so it's mean what? It's mean that here you can see that a boy, a man, so ki just a and what? A Julia, a am, Anna, boy. So this is actually like Julia, a ma'am, Anna, like Anna. This is Janch. Oh, Janch. Janch means boy, right? Click on here. Okay, and just check it, and excellent, and continue it. So you can see the super impressive. Okay, the little bird is helping you and telling conversation with you. So just going to continue button, and you can see that many hard tasks is coming, like each, been, in, man, what is meanings. So actually it's taking too much time. You can click on here and you can understand it, what is inch meanings. Inch means I, been meanings am, okay, a what, man. So okay, I, okay, am, okay, a and man, and I do it and just check it. I don't know it's correct or not, check it, and you can see great. So it is inch, been, in, man, inch, each been, in, man, it's mean that I am a man, and go to continue. So dear students, if someone if you're a friend, or you can impress your GF, you can impress any type of girls or any type of people in your life, that inch, okay, I am. So it's very perfect, and here you can see that inch, en, Frau, it's meant inch, okay, and been or ist. So been will be, and just check it, and you can see that excellent means I am a woman. So Frau means woman, you already know, and continue it. So you can see that another each thing is coming, each mean a, and Frau. So it's very easy. I am a, Frau means what? Frau means a man, right? And just click on it and check it, and incorrect, because Frau means woman, dear student. So I just giving the mistake to show you that if you did wrong, the feedback will come, I am a woman. So Frau means each woman, right? Continue it. And you can see that select the correct answer, I am a man. So being in, each be in a man, so each be a in man and check it. You can see that it amazing. Okay, and continue it and tap to here, and you can see also here you can also hear the sentence. Okay, and of course you can do that. So this is the process. You can do that for your convenience. It is very free, and just close down it if you don't if you time to over. So this is the way you can of course learn lot of language. Now I just learned actually language. Okay, you can learn actually Italian language, Japanese, Chinese language as you need. Okay, so this is very perfect. So I hope this application will help you to cover your confidence level and make your life positive, make your life brilliant, make your life super or different from any type of other person. So this application link will be in the given in the description, in the video description. Go check it out and enjoy this application, learn the language, and make your life really unique and most amazing. Thank you so much.